Hi, I'm Bryan Baeumler.
And I'm Adam Weir.
And we have built this incredible SONOpan sound testing booth that I'm going to put Adam in, and we're going to test some sound. You ready?
I see some instruments.
Yeah, we're going to...
I'm very excited to not hear any of this.
Well, I'm very musical, so you're going to miss out.
I love the color.
Sorry, I'll just close this up here. I'll just put the key in my pocket for safekeeping. Okay, you ready? Let the test begin. Cowbell? Okay, let's see. Adam, can you hear me now? Can you hear me, Adam? Missed out on that one? Okay, well, let's try this again. Could you hear me? All right, well, that's it for the test. Adam didn't hear a thing. I found the keys. You didn't hear anything?
Nothing. That's quite the soundproof booth. And you heard nothing from in there?
Thank goodness.
Good. I had beans yesterday.